everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different. I have an infection on my face, so I'm not going to actually be doing makeup, but I am following the trend of Photoshop me hotter, but I'm doing it makeup version. So if you want to watch this video because it's going to be funny, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I will put the photos up on the screen when I work out how to do that, but I will put the photos up that have been photoshopped on the screen. So what I did was I went on a girls group and a Photoshop group on Facebook. I've just done that, and I've taken this photo and I have asked them to Photoshop me hotter but with makeup, and I just said to them, you know what, do whatever you want, just go for it, like just have fun. So we're going to be reacting to what these people have made me look like. So let's go with the first. Okay, so in this one, photo, I don't know what side it's going to be on. It's going to be on one side. So yeah, she has brightened my cheeks with some blush, which I never wear. This photo I had no makeup on in, by the way. Made my eyebrows darker. I think there's a little bit of like a wing liner and some purple and a pink. So like, I like that. It's cute, you know, like it's nice. It's good. Okay, so in this photo, obviously like I'm darker, which is good because I have a pale face. I think she's brightened my eyes a little bit. My eyebrows look darker. I can't really remember if that was just the color of my eyebrows because I think I just got them microbladed on, and like obviously now I'm so used to them, so they've faded, but I don't know if people have edited that or if that's just how dark they were, because that's embarrassing. No, I like that one. That one's good. I like it. 10 out of 10 from me. What the fuck is this? Okay, so this I look like an alien. Okay, so they've like brought my neck up. So as you can see in this photo, like this shoulder is very like and this one's very down, but in real life I have uneven shoulders and they're actually quite noticeable from the back. So she's just really enhanced like one of my insecurities. So she's made my face like really thin and my ears really big and my head really long, and it just, no. Okay, I don't like that one. That one's weird. Okay, this one's cute. So they've obviously added some winged liner, which is better than what I can do in real life. So thank you so much, doll. Eyebrows look normal, maybe a little bit like more like a lighter brown, I think. Red lips, I like that. I like that look. I don't think blue eyeshadow suits me though. Like that's all I'm taking away from this. I don't think blue eyeshadow suits me. Oh, okay. So this one, they have made my lips bigger. Makes me want to get lip fillers because like I have a small mouth. So they've made it bigger. And I feel like people with really big mouths have like a really pretty, I don't know, maybe that's just me. And I like the eyeshadow. I think my eyes are also a little bit bigger, and she's made my hair silver, which I used to have like silvery hair, and then my hair got really, really thin and it all snapped off and I was really stressed and it just went to shit. So like my hair's finally growing back, and I don't know, I miss having that color. Like that makes me miss have that color, but I don't want to kill my hair anymore. I have a bung eye actually. Looking at the enhancement on it, I have a really bad bung eye. I like that one. That one's cool. I like it. Okay, this one's funny because this is like, you watch Antonio Garza, like that's how she edits her videos, like with that and I want to be able to do that, but I can't, so this is like amazing. And oh my god, there's a clown in the background. Oh, I hate clowns, but I love this. This is hilarious. My face is just so warped. I need that filter for my videos so I can look like a dick all the time. Okay, I really like this one. So she's given me fake eyelashes because obviously I wasn't wearing fake eyelashes. Oh, I want to get my lashes done again. I snapped them off. Obviously, if you watch my other videos, you will know that. And I think she's like brightened my eyes up a little bit, made me a bit more tan. Then my eyebrows are the same. That's all I can really notice from this one. But I'm really liking those eyelashes. Like, can you please tell me what app you used for those? Like, I'm letting everyone know who was a part of this, like, photoshopping and everything. I'm letting them know when the video goes up. So if you are watching it, can you please tell me right now what app you use for those lashes? Because I struggle to put lashes on. And, like, if I can just Photoshop them on, like, who fucking needs false lashes anyway? So, please comment. Okay, this one's nice. So, my lips are bigger. This is just making me want to get my lips done, and, like, I've been battling that for so long now. Like, part of me is like, no, I don't want to follow everyone else, and then part of me is like, I want bigger lips, and I don't know what to do, so I like the dark eyeshadow. I'm actually doing that in my course at the moment, like a nice smoky eye. Like, I like it. It's good. And she's cut out my tan line, so that's even better. I'm loving it. I've been beanified. They turned me into Mr. Bean. Oh. Oh! Hands down, best one of all. Like, I'm not even... Why does Mr. Bean look prettier on my face than I look on my face? Okay, that one's hilarious. I like that one. Thank you. Okay, so, like, in the thread, everyone was like, because it's a girls group. One of them was a girls group that I put it in. And everyone was like, I love how no one's gone for the tits. Like, no one's tried to edit her boobs yet. And I'm like, yeah, okay. So this person has obviously read those comments and has tried to make it look like I have massive bowling balls on my chest, as well as adding like a nice smoky eye. And I think making my hair a little bit more silver. God, everyone's making my hair silver. Like, is that a like indication to go silver? Because I can't afford that. Give me your money. I'm joking. I don't like it. It looks like pancakes, actually. It's just like... I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this one's really pretty. Really, really pretty. So they've done like a nice smoky eye, but it's like a soft one. And my eyes kind of look green in that. Weird. I've never seen myself with like a green eye, but it's kind of cool. And they have given me a bigger mouth with red lips. I like that. I like that look. It's nice. And everyone was like commenting, being like, you don't need photoshopping, like, you're beautiful the way you are. I was like, I do, but it's for a video, like, please help. Please. Send help. Now. Ah! Filming today when no one's home so I can be as loud as I want. Oh my god, that is freaking me out. How do people do that? They've photoshopped me smiling with teeth. And those teeth are nicer than my teeth. And I spent heaps of money to get my teeth straightened and whitened. And then you can just Photoshop it. Like, I don't know. I just feel like it's just, she's just staring into my soul. And it's really like, do you guys like my shoes? They are fish thongs mixed with slippers mixed with mops. That is a literal mop on the end of my shoe. I got it from Japan. My friend brought it back for me. So nice. Yeah, no, okay, this one's like, I like it. Like, everything looks the same. It's just like giving me teeth, and like those teeth are nicer than my teeth, so I'm envious of this chick in front of me. Like, what the hell? Why do I look like Cher? My head looks massive. Okay, so like, obviously they're giving me black hair and it's like not sitting on my head, like a really bad wig. They've enhanced my lips majorly. Got some nice pink blush. I fucking hate blush. Some shit eyeliner, like, you know, when people do the really bad eyeliner. Not saying that this edit's shit, but like people were just taking the piss in the end, which was funny as. I remember when I used to actually do like dark eyeliner under there, and looking at this photo makes me think back to the days where I didn't know how to do makeup and like embarrassed myself in school. So yeah, like this video if you think I should do a video on a video on a video on a video on a video based on a video that I did on a video. like this video if I should do a video on how I used to do my makeup in high school. because I guarantee you it's gonna be a laugh. Oh my god, there's something about this photo that makes me so uncomfortable. I look like a Barbie doll or an Instagram model. I'm really unsettled by this. I'm loving the eye shape. Like, I wish my eyes were actually like that. But my head just doesn't look right. Like, I just look fake and scary. Like, I love those eyes. I wish my eyes were like that, but then they've got the smiling teeth staring at me as well. Maybe I should dye my hair that colour. I like that colour. I miss being blonde, but I've only just gone like this colour. But I miss being blonde, but I don't want to kill my hair. So, like, I'm kind of in a bit of a conflict right now. I'm conflicted. That's my new favourite word. Conflicted. I've been saying it for a while now. Actually, that's a lie. I've been saying it for like 3 days. Whoever did this did a great job, but it's just fucking weird to look at. Really weird. Alright, everyone. Last but not least, let's look at this one. Oh! They photoshopped a chili into my mouth. Like, obviously it's not my mouth, but that is funny. And the person who did it, she's like, to make you even hotter, you need to eat a chili or something. Like, I don't know, like something along those lines. But that is good. I like that. Like, that doesn't even look, that looks good. That looks good. Like, there was nothing about makeup in this one, but like, it just fits so well. Like, oh, good job. I love it. It's amazing. That is good. That is like, I enjoy that a lot. Thank you. Okay, everybody, that completes today's video. I know it was really different, but like, as I said, my face has a infection and I don't want to make it worse. So I just thought I would join the trend, but make it makeup worthy because that's what my channel's about. So if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you know when I post, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully my skin will be better so I can actually do a makeup tutorial because I have been dying not being able to put makeup on my face. So thank you for your support, everyone. Love you. Bye.